We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a hose for this Mullen faucet. It burst up top and flooded the cabinet out, so you can see all the damage you've got down here. And so we got the hose back in. We got the weight sitting back on the hose, so that's reinstalled. Hose is back in, no more leaking. So this is what happens. Go ahead and put that water out. So here, you know, we got a rubber hose on the inside, braided stainless steel on the outside, and sometimes that hose will burst and then it just bleeds through here. So, and unfortunately, it sits up here, and if you never use it, you just don't know. But this is hollow, goes right down into the cabinet cavity. So water leak back down there caused a lot of damage. Anyway, so brand new hose. We don't know what to tell you about getting this fixed. I wouldn't leave it the way it is. There's a lot of moisture down there, and then of course there's some mold going on. Try and clean it up best you can. If it starts growing, you know, you got a health issue going on, but that's outside of our scope of work. So anyways, hose is installed. Outside of that, this installation is done.